This replaced your camera, your TV, your map, your wallet, and it all fits in your pocket. The smartphone didn't just upgrade communication, it rewired how humans live, work, and think. And here's the reality. In less than 20 years, it became the most powerful tool ever created. Before apps, before touchscreens, there were experiments. Devices like the IBM Simon combined a phone with a calendar, email, and touchscreen. It wasn't perfect, but it was the first glimpse of the future. Then came domination. Nokia ruled the world, and BlackBerry Limited became the device of business. Phones were no longer just for calls, they became tools for productivity. Everything changed in 2007. Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone. No keyboard, just a screen. Simple, powerful, revolutionary. Then came the real disruption. The Android ecosystem opened the floodgates. Apps transformed phones into platforms, social media, games, navigation, everything in one place. Phones became cameras, and cameras changed culture. Content creation exploded. Moments became shareable, instantly. The smartphone didn't just capture life, it started shaping it. Now smartphones are smarter than ever. AI assistants, 5G speeds, professional-grade cameras. Companies like Apple and Samsung are pushing devices beyond communication into intelligence. But here's the twist. The most powerful device ever created might also be the most addictive. It connects us to everything, but sometimes disconnects us from reality. The question isn't what smartphones can do, it's what they're doing to us. This changed everything. Subscribe to Evolution tab, because next we break down the evolution of the internet, the system behind it all.